Greetings to all. We extend a warm welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will showcase a simple method for utilizing Power Automate in connection with PDF.co custom connectors. Throughout the demonstration, we will elaborate the process of integrating PDF.co custom connectors into Power Automate Cloud, as well as illustrate the creation of a flow utilizing the custom connectors. To facilitate comprehension, we have included a link to the complete tutorial in the description box below. Please feel free to explore PDF.co for additional details and information. So without any delay, let's begin. First, we will guide you through the process of incorporating PDF.co custom connectors into Power Automate Cloud. To accomplish this, please access your PDF.co web page and navigate to the Integration section. Within this section, click on the MS Power Automate. Next, click on the Download Custom Connector to initiate the download of the JSON file connector. Once you have successfully downloaded the custom connector, our next step is to add the PDF.co connector to Power Automate Cloud. On your Power Automate dashboard, navigate to the Data tab and locate the Custom Connector option. Please note that this feature is only available to users who have logged in using organization accounts. On this page, locate the new custom connector and click on the Import and Open API file. In this pop-up, enter PDF.co as the connector name. Then proceed with importing the JSON file that was downloaded from the PDF.co custom connector. Now, click on the Create Connector button. This action will result in the addition of the PDF.co connector to the list of custom connectors. That's complete the process. We can now utilize this connector to your Power Automate workflows. Now let's proceed with creating a flow. Click on the Create button in the Power Automate portal. You will be presented with several options for creating flows, such as Start from Blank, Start from a Template, and Start from a Connector. For this demonstration, we will choose the Start from Blank option and select Instant Cloud Flow to trigger it manually as needed. Moving forward, our next step involves a custom flow designated for the purpose of Fill PDF. Furthermore, we will configure this flow to fall under the Manually Trigger a Flow type. Next, let's incorporate a step for our PDF.co custom connectors. In this case, we will utilize the PDF filler features to demonstrate how to add text, images, and fill out form fields in a PDF document. Under the PDF filler, we'll have to provide values to its parameters. For URL parameters, let's input the direct URL of the source PDF file. If you're using a file instead of URL, you can use the PDF.co file storage to convert your file to URL. When specifying the annotation string parameters, remember to include the X and Y coordinates, as well as the page range where you intend to add the text. Also include the font size, font name, and font style for your text. It is crucial to input these values in a specific format, which can be found in the PDF.co API docs for reference. To simplify the process of obtaining the X and Y coordinates, you can utilize the PDF.co PDF Edit Add Helper tool, the link for which can be found in the description box below. In the image's string parameters, you should include the X and Y coordinates, along with the page range, to indicate the specific location where you want to add the image. Additionally, you will need to provide the image URL. You can utilize PDF.co file storage, which can convert an image file into a URL that is compatible with PDF.co processing. When working with the field string parameters, you need to include the specific page range of the form. Additionally, you should provide the field's name along with the text value to fill out the form. To simplify the process of obtaining the field name, you can utilize the PDF.co PDF Edit Add Helper tool. This tool will assist you in identifying the correct field's name for your desired form fields. Now, let's incorporate a notification step to check the output. Now we will create an email notification with the subject and the output URL in the body. After adding notifications for checking the output, let's proceed with saving the flow and get started with testing and executing it. After successfully executing and running the flow, you can now check your email to view the notifications containing the output URL. Here is the filled PDF form that we successfully added text, images and filled form fields using the PDF.co custom connectors. To access additional information and resources, I encourage you to visit our PDF.co website. We offer informative tutorials and helpful learning materials. You can also explore our YouTube channel, where we provide a wealth of informative content and videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. We appreciate your support and thank you for watching.